Is Finelo a scam? 2025 honest Finelo review. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Finelo. Is it a scam or a legit site? So first of all, let me talk about some red flags and scam reports. So unexpected charges and auto renewals. Many users report that after a short trial, they were automatically charged $39 to $98 monthly without clear warning and struggled to cancel or get refunds. And ads often promise easy investing or passive income opportunities, leading users to feel deceived. And numerous complaints mention requests being ignored or deflected, and slow or unhelpful responses. And scam tracking sites flagged the main domain as suspicious or malicious. So Reddit also warns that some person become a victim of unexpected charges. They refuse to refund him or her, and he or she thinks this smells like a lawsuit. And let me tell you who what works and who likes it. So some users appreciate its simple lessons, interactive quizzes, and simulator for learning basic investing, and report that it helped them grasp finance jargon and take their first steps with small investment. So we get mixed feedback from users. So like scam advisor alert, as you can see, the trust score is uh, below 50, and the negative highlights are the owner of the website is using a service to hide their identity or who is, and the website seems to prevent credit card chargebacks. And positive highlights are the website is deemed to be popular by Tranco with a ranking of 20, and this website has received positive reviews. The SSL certificate is valid. This website is very old. The website is safe according to DNS filter. And other websites like professional review tells experts caution that unexpected charges, misleading pricing, and hard to contact support make it risky. And the site Jabber rating says average score 2 to 5, with multiple complaints about auto subscriptions and confusion over pricing. So the final verdict would be, while some beginners find value in Finelo's basic learning tools, the overwhelming complaints about misleading fees, aggressive billing, poor refunds, and service issues are deeply concerning. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.